Hello friends, this is one of the video in the playlist Marginal Costing. In this video, I will explain what is break-even point or break-even sales and margin of safety. I am not interested in teaching you in the theoretical way, so that only in most of my videos I included some examples or practical sums in order to give you the better conceptual clarity. So today, by this sum, I will explain this concept. Sales is equal to 500 unit, selling price is equal to rupees 50 per unit, variable cost per unit is rupees 30 and fixed cost is rupees 6500. They asked us to find out break-even point, break-even sales, margin of safety and margin of safety percentage of sales. So before getting into the sum, I'll explain what is break-even sales. If I'm manufacturing the shirt and the cost of the shirt is 200 for me including all the cost, and I'm selling this for rupees 200. So my selling price is 200 and the cost price is also 200. So at this case there is no profit and no loss for me. So the break-even sales is where there is no profit and no loss. The cost is divided into fixed cost and variable cost. The difference between these two is clearly explained in the previous video. So the break-even sales is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So sales is equal to FC plus PC. Here we have to find out the break-even points. So this is the formula. Selling price of BEP units is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost into BEP units. It's clear? Why there is no multiplication of BEP units in the fixed cost? Because the fixed cost does not depend upon the volume of output. Fixed cost remains the same whether the output is increased or decreased. So the selling price is rupees 50 into BEP units that we have to find out is equal to variable cost per unit. Variable cost is rupees 30 BEP plus fixed cost 6500. So by solving this we get 20 BEP is equal to 6500 and BEP remains here and 20 comes this side. So finally we get the break-even point as 325 units. So we got answer for the first question. So the break-even point is 325 units. So at the time of selling the 325 units, there will be no profit and no loss for the company. Next is to find the break-even sales. It is just multiplying the 325 units into the selling price. Selling price is rupees 50 per unit. So you get 16,250 as break-even sales. Next is to find the margin of safety. So this is the formula for margin of safety. Actual or budgeted sales minus break-even sales. What is the actual sales here? They gave the sales as 500 units. So 500 into selling price per unit is 50. So 25,000 will be the actual sales and the break-even sales is 16,250. So you get answer as 8,750. So the margin of safety is 8,750. Margin of safety percentage of sales is nothing but 8,750 divided by 25,000, that is total sales, gives you 35%. So here I'm just explaining this in simple way. This is at 500 units. It is the actual or budgeted units, and this is 325 units, that is the break-even point. So from 0 to 325 it is break even point or break even sales, and from 325 to 500 it is margin of safety, and from 0 to 500 it is total sales. So total sales is equal to break even point or break even sales plus margin of safety. I hope by this sum you get the understanding of what is break even sales and break even point or and the margin of safety. Thanks for watching, and kindly do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon in order to get the regular notification of my videos. See you all in the next video. Thank you.